Good morning, children. Today we'll do moment of a force. Before that, we'll do about the forces. Okay. Generally, we are saying two types of forces here. That is, one is linear or translational force. Okay. And another is the not force, we'll say the motion is two types generally, translational motion or linear motion by the application of the force, and the turning effect of a force. Turning effect means the rotational motion of a body. When force is applied on a body, body will rotate about a fixed position or fixed point or fixed axis. Okay, this is the fixed point is known as pivoted point or pivot point. Now, if by the application of force, if body is moving in a straight line, okay, so then we'll say such type of motion is translational motion or linear motion. Okay, by pulling, pushing a body. Yes. Now, in other case, if we are applying a force and body is fixed at a point, so then body will not move in a straight line. Body will start rotating. Just simple example, the door. When we are opening or closing the door, okay, so then door will rotate. Door will rotate and it is fixed on its hinges, okay, and it is the fixed axis, and the door panel is what? Moving here and there by rotational motion. Is it? Now, so therefore, the rotational motion is due to a force is known as turning effect of force. Turning effect of force. By using force or by applied force, body is turning, rotating. So, such is turning effect of force, that is known as moment of a force or moment simply. Moment means rotation. Yes, the moment of a force. Now, moment of a force or moment of force is depending on the force applied. Depending on the force applied and perpendicular distance of the line of action of the force from the fixed point or pivot point or axis of rotation. Just one example I am doing here. Say this is a body. The body is fixed at this point O. Now we are applying a force. Say force is F. So then body will rotate in this way about the point O, is it? Now the line of action of force is this one, is it? Now we'll draw perpendicular to the line of action of the force. So this is what? Say it is OA. This is say P. Now OA is the perpendicular distance from the line of action of the force to the axis of rotation or point of rotation or pivot point, is it? So, the factors affecting what? The rotational motion or moment of force is the perpendicular distance and the force applied. Now, the measurement of moment of force. Moment of force is equal to the force into the perpendicular distance, that is OA. We can say that is O into D. Now keep in mind both F and the direction of distance. Okay, distance we are taking in a particular direction. So therefore both are vector quantity. So that what happened? The moment of force is a vector quantity. Moment of force is vector quantity. Now, so therefore factors affecting the moment of a force is what? The force applied, number 1. Number 2 is perpendicular distance from the fixed point or pivot point or from the axis of rotation to the line of action of the force. Now, if the distance is perpendicular taken, so then what happens? The moment of force will be maximum. Or another way we can say that the distance is more. If we will open a door from very far distance, yes, from the hinges, okay, so then what happens? We will apply less force to open the door. Now, so therefore two factors, the force and perpendicular distance. Now, unit of moment of a force. The force is measured in what? Newton, and distance is measured in meter in SI unit. So therefore, its unit will be Newton meter. SI unit is Newton meter. If we will apply, if we will use CGS system, then what happens? Force is 9 and distance is centimeter. Force is 9 and distance is centimeter. Now, what is the relation between Newton meter and 9 centimeter? So, therefore, say 1 Newton meter. So, 1 Newton into 1 meter. So, we know 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power 5, 9 into 100 centimeter, that is equal to 10 to the power 7, 9 centimeter. Now, question is here, here we are writing unit is Newton meter, 9 centimeter. So, Newton meter is also generally we know for work done or energy, it is joule. Here 9 centimeter is also the unit of what? Unit is like erg. Okay. But instead of writing joule for moment of a force or torque, we will write what? Moment of force is also, we will say torque. It is joule. Well, sorry, we will for moment of force will not write joule. Why? Because the moment of a force is vector quantity, is a vector quantity, whereas the joule is unit of work done or energy. So this is scalar quantity. Okay, energy or work done, they are what? Scalar quantity. So that they are measured in joule. Joule is, but it is a vector quantity, because the effect of the moment of a force is perpendicular to the plane containing the line of action of the force and perpendicular distance. Yes, the force and perpendicular distance, it is perpendicular to this. Now, there are two types of moment of a force, that is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so clockwise moment. First we are doing anti-clockwise moment. Anti-clockwise moment. The anti-clockwise moment is the moment due to application of force, body will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Yes. Now in this case, say this is a body moving in this direction. Yes. This is the fixed point, this is the perpendicular distance, the line of the force, whatever, the body is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. So when body will rotate anti-clockwise direction, then what happens? The plane containing the direction and the force. Okay, say this is body is rotating in this way. Just see my hand. Body is rotating anti-clockwise. So we can say this is the force, this one is the direction, this is the plane. This is the plane containing what? The force and distance both. So the body is rotating in this way. See my fingers. How I am folding. This is anti-clockwise. But my thumb is going upward direction. The direction of anti-clockwise moment is upward. So it is taken as positive. The direction of anti-clockwise moment is positive. So we'll say, when we'll write anti-clockwise moment, so then it will be taken as positive. Okay, positive moment. Now, if a body is, say it is clockwise moment. Now another way, if body is rotating in this way,